truck driver took down the damn electric gate motor. Goodness, boy. That truck driver took out the gate over here at US Foods. That's crazy. That's crazy. The gate on the other side bent. Hey, how you doing? I'm just filming what's going on, that's all. Somebody took it out? A truck driver hit it? Yeah?
You had steel toes?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's steel toes at?
It's in my truck.
Your own steel toes?
Nah, I took, yeah, my own steel toes. Yeah. Oh, snap. Rip that motherfucker off. Well, the truck driver need to learn how to swing wide, man. Swing wide. Goodness gracious. And know the bill on that for the truck company. The fence is bent. God dog. Man, you can't make this up, boy. Truck drivers, boy, I swear, man, y'all cracking me up, man. And around that curve right there, really good. That's a good 10-inch curve right there. How did he took that out, though? That's what I want to know. That's just crazy. Like, that's just wicked to me. Like, that's a big old curve. Man, that truck driver, boy. All right, guys. Peace and God bless. Man.